What's inside?
New toy surprise!
With this new potion, I'll be able to turn my penguin into an unstoppable warrior. Oh no, I made 1,000,000 penguins, not a warrior penguin. They're gonna wreck the city before I can rob it. I guess I'll need Batman's help. I hate to say it, Batman, but I need your help. I accidentally created an army of penguins.
It looks like we're gonna have to work together to stop the penguin army. And stay out. Penguins don't belong in the Gotham City Police. What is going on? There's penguins everywhere. I better check with Batman.
Help! Penguins are cute, but these guys have been following me everywhere.
Come to me, my penguins.
Absolutely not. No penguins in the T-Tower. Aw, lighten up, man. They're so cute. That's because you'll never pick up after them. They're not even potty trained. All right. Go get him, Batman. Show those penguins who's boss.
I love to see so many penguins, but there's too many for the city.
Get out of my secret lair, you penguin.
Phew, even I'm getting sick of penguins. All right, everybody, get into the truck.
I've looked all over the city. This is the last penguin.
Haha, this is my original penguin with the skills of a warrior. Attack Batman!
It looks like this little guy wants to play around and not do your evil bidding, penguin.
I'll get you yet, Batman!
Let's check out the Imaginext Gotham City Collection, the Penguin and Six-Wheeler. The penguin looks cool. His head doesn't move, but his arms, hands, and legs move. Isn't his penguin so cute? The hook pulls out like this, and then when we roll the vehicle backwards, the rope goes back in, just like that. This is the power pad that drops the rake, and then it pulls the penguin into the back of the vehicle. Penguin six-wheeler is awesome.
Surprise!
Oh no, a whole bunch of villains have taken over Gotham City. Yay, here comes the Batbot Extreme. Whoa, he's so powerful. Do you think he needs any help defeating all the villains? Batman can help. He's an awesome superhero. He has all sorts of bat gadgets that will help. Oh, how about Iron Man? His Iron Man suit makes him very powerful. Oh, I don't know about that, Robin. It might be a little too tiny. What do you think? Oh yes, this Robin's much better. He's a very good sidekick. Oh, the Incredible Hulk. He'll be very helpful. He's so strong. How about Luke Skywalker? Yep. With his lightsaber, he can defeat villains. Ooh, Iron Spider-Man. He has very good skills, doesn't he? Oh look, it's Starfire. She'll definitely be able to help. She's good at fighting villains. Yay! It's Superman! We definitely need his help. He's an awesome superhero, isn't he? What? A Hatchimal's magical hamster? She's cute, but I don't think she's very powerful. What do you think? Oh yes, Flash. Flash will be very helpful. He's so fast. Oh, Shaggy. Do you think he'll be helpful, or will he just run away when he sees a villain? Oh good, it's Spider-Man. He can climb walls and fling webs. Do you think he'll be able to help? Look, it's Green Lantern. He has a lot of powers, doesn't he? And there's his Green Lantern ring where his powers come from. It's Captain America. And look at his shield. It's super cool. Oh, Wonder Woman will help. She's super strong and powerful. Did we find your favorite superhero yet? Yay, it's Wolverine. He's so great. And look at these sharp claws. That's good for fighting villains, isn't it? Aquaman, will he be helpful? Maybe if there's some fish around. He's super cool. Yay, it's Plastic Man. He's so stretchy. He's a funny superhero. Cyborg! Yay! He has great powers, doesn't he? Hey, do you think that Batbot Extreme can defeat all of these villains by himself?
Uh-oh, I think we might be in big trouble, guys.
Yep, he just punched Mr. Freeze. How about the Joker? Yay! Can he defeat Loki? Oh, so easy. Thanos is powerful. Oh, not too powerful. Captain Cold is no match for Batbot Extreme. You think the Riddler is? No. Ultron's no match. Or Electro. Darkseid. Oh, good job, Batbot Extreme. Doc can't defeat him. Lex Luthor? Nope. Man-Bat. There he goes. Bone and Grundy? You're no match. It's Doomsday. Ooh! Crash!
Surprise!
Wow, look at how many rescue bots we have. Rescue bots are so much fun. How many rescue bots do you think I can transform in 1 minute? Ready, set, go! This is Heatwave and Boat mode. He's easy to transform and looks pretty cool. Heatwave and Firetruck mode is the one that we're used to seeing, isn't it? Here's Firetruck mode. And now back into Robot mode. This is one of our newest rescue bots. This is Heatwave and Two-Headed Dragon mode. See? There's his 2 heads. And his wings. He looks great, doesn't he? He's a little bit trickier to transform. Here's race car mode Bumblebee. He looks so sweet and he's easy to transform. What? We only transformed 4 rescue bots in 1 minute. I thought we could do more than that because rescue bots are so easy. Let's see how many we can transform with a little bit of video magic. Do you think that we can transform a lot more? Ready, set, go! Bumblebee in airplane mode is so great. Whoa, that's much faster. It's salvage. We can even transform Dinobots. And tow trucks. Fast mode is so great. Do you think Boulder looks cool in both of his modes? Dump truck and bulldozer? Wow, Dinobot Bumblebee. How about Blades? Do you like airplane mode or helicopter mode? Chase is cool. Do you have a favorite rescue bot? Oh, we're going so fast. Here's some little Dinobots. They're a lot of fun. Even Blades is a Dinobot. And Boulder. Oh, he's a little bit hard to transform. Optimus Prime is our grand finale. Optimus Prime is the ultimate rescue bot. That was so great. We were able to transform all of our rescue bots with a little bit of video magic. If you like superheroes and supervillains, give this video a thumbs up and let us know in the comments below the name of your favorite superhero or villain. Remember to subscribe to New Toy Surprise so that we can open up a lot of great toys together.